Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Core Keeper game on your PC. So let's get started. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam on your any browser. And you will see the Steam website on the top, so you can just open it. Now click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top, and here you just need to simply log into your account. And guys, if you don't have an account, then just simply create one. Guys, once you created the account, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here in this page, just click on the install Steam and just download and install the Steam on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just open up the Steam, log into your account, click on the top search box and just type here the Core Keeper game. And guys, the Core Keeper game will show on the top, so you just need to click on the Core Keeper. And guys, here in this page, just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So you can buy this game for the $10. So you just need to click on the option of add to cart. Here, click on the continue to payment option. And here in this page, you just need to pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. And guys, once you pay the amount, click on the library option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here in this page, on the left hand side, you will see the game which is the Core Keeper. Just click on that, click on the install, and this is how you can download and install the Core Keeper game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and I will see you guys in the next video.